Hey guys, welcome back and thank you so much for tuning in. I want to show you how to brighten your underarms in case you have dark underarms. This video is a continuation, is part 2 of yesterday's video, and that video is already up on my YouTube channel. Check it out. So these are the ingredients which you're going to use today, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, let's get into the video. The ingredients are only 5 ingredients and most of them are all exfoliants. So let's get started. The first ingredient is turmeric. It helps to soothe and reduces acne on the armpits and also brightens the dark skin, and also it destroys acne causing bacteria. The second is yogurt. It's great at removing dead skin cells that causes discoloration of underarms, and it helps in brightening the armpits. Apple cider vinegar contains bleaching agents and also powerful antibacterial, which works really well in whitening dark underarms. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant which removes dry, dead skin accumulated on the skin. And finally, the last ingredient is honey. Honey helps in exfoliating and also hydrates the skin and also contains antibacterial properties. Discoloration of underarm is often caused by dead skin cells building up on the area. All these are exfoliants, and when you mix them together, they're going to boost and help you to brighten the underarms. So I'm going to show you how to apply it, and let's see if there is going to be any change on my underarm. They are not as dark as much, so this is how they are at the moment. They are not very dark, but they're still dark. Yeah, so let's get into the video. Be careful of turmeric because it stains, so just apply numerous amounts. Soft applying, wait for 30 minutes, and then you exfoliate. Wash off with lukewarm water, and you're going to see changes on your underarm. I'm going to wipe it off like that. Guys, can you notice any difference? Wow, look at this. This is instant brightening mask, guys. Going to do the same on this other arm. I can see noticeable changes. So guys, I'm going to apply aloe vera. I'm going to store my remaining mask. Guys, you can store this one for 1 week in your refrigerator and also use this mask 3 times a week. So guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to also check out on the other video on how to shave. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and also I'll see you in my next one. Much love.